Hi, welcome to TS24x7. I'm going to explain about final, finally and finalizer, which is one of the most important question in Java. Let us see about final keyword. Final is a keyword which can be applicable for variables, methods and classes. Let us see if you apply final keyword to a variable. This variable cannot be modified. That means we cannot do any increment or decrement to a variable if the variable is a final. Let us see an example. I am taking int a equals to 10. I am printing this a. Now run this program. We are getting 10 as output. Now just pre-increment this value a. Again run this program. We'll get value 10 and 11. If you keep this final keyword to this value, this variable a, here we are getting an error. It is showing an error. Even though I am running, here the final local variable a cannot be assigned. You should not, it is giving a compile time error. You should not give final to a local variable a. Next, see about if I gave final keyword to a method, then we cannot override this method in the child class. Let us see an example. Here I am creating class A. I am giving method m1. I am printing some statement, welcome to Java. I am taking one more class which is the child class for this class A. Class B extends A. Here I am doing overriding this method m1 in this class B. Welcome to TS24x7. Here I am creating an object a equals to new a, and I am calling m1 method here. Similarly for b dot m1. Now run this program. Here we are getting welcome to Java and welcome to TS24x7. Now we give final keyword to this method. See here it is showing an error. Cannot override the final method from A. If any method is a final in parent class, we cannot override that method in child class. This is the error it is showing. We'll get compile time error like this. Now see, if you give final keyword to a class, what will happen? For this example, I am taking final to this class. Here we cannot we cannot do inheritance feature for this class. See here, it is showing an error. Type B cannot subclass the final class. We cannot do inherit and we cannot create any child class for this class A. Run this program. Here type B cannot subclass the final class A. If any class is a final, we cannot create a child class for this class. So this is about final keyword in Java. Let us see about finally. Finally is a block which is associated with try catch blocks. Let us see an example. Here I am taking try finally block. Without try block, finally won't execute. So take try. So here it is not showing an error. If I take catch, also it will work. But catch without try won't work. Thus I take try. See here, no errors. Now I am giving a statement here. Some welcome hello, hi. Now run this program. We are getting welcome and hello. See here, this system.out.println hello is not coming because there is no exception here. This statement will be then cleared by this finally block before execution of this program. If I take an exception here, some 8 divided by 0, I am trying to give one more statement. Now run this program. See here, this statement won't execute and we are getting catch hello. In this catch this statement is executing hello because here exception rises. Here the exception is catched, and this even though exception rises or not rises, handled or not handled, this finally block is executing. Here this statement is not executing. Before execution of this program, finally block will clear this statement and then it will execute. One more catch block I am taking here. Directly I am giving arithmetic exception here. So it won't execute because I am giving direct arithmetic exception. It won't come to this catch exception E. See here, you are getting AE, this statement is executing and finally block is executing. These two statements are removed by or cleared by this final method before execution of this program. This is about finally block.